Hi guys, so today we're making my childhood favorite recipe. So let's begin. So for this I'm going to use three vegetables, that is tomatoes, onions and capsicum. You can use whatsoever you like, corns, olives or anything. Now I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of roasted semolina, and now as semolina takes up a lot of liquid, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk, and I'm going to set that aside until the semolina soaks in all of the milk. Now to this I'm going to add in half a cup of malai or fresh cream. Now this is an absolute necessary ingredient. You cannot omit it. Now I'm going to throw in the vegetables. Now these three combos remind me of my childhood because I've always had sandwiches made of these. You can switch things up, but then this is how I like it. Now I'm gonna add green chili. Put green chili, it gives a lot of good flavor to it. And then for the seasoning, salt and black pepper. I'm gonna keep it very simple and it's gonna be super delicious. That's it. You just have to assemble and cook now. So I'm going to take slices of bread. I'm going to use atta bread here. You can use any bread that you have at hand. Now after spreading the mixture, I'm going to heat up my tawa, and then it's a non-stick tawa, and then I'm going to put in some ghee. I would actually recommend using ghee because it makes a lot of difference and it tastes really nice with ghee. Then I'm going to add a little bit of ghee on the top as well after putting it upside down. Now you have to press the toast on the tawa because you have to flatten the layer of the vegetables and you have to ensure that they stick to your toast. So you have to keep on pressing it until the vegetables are nice and toasty and they're stuck to the toast. And then we flip. Look at that gorgeous toast. Your kitchen is gonna smell heavenly. If you've ever made this, you know what I'm talking about. I used to get to know from far that my mother is making this. So I'm going to continue making more toasts like this. This is gonna yield around 4 to 5 toasts depending on how much mixture you put on each. Now you this is your toast is done. This it was as simple as that. You can serve it with ketchup, mayonnaise, or you can just have it as it is. It's crunchy, delicious, pizza like, and it is absolutely amazing. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please comment in the comment section below and tell me, and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.